YouTube stars are today's self-made celebrities, people who have earned an audience by creating video content geared toward teaching, entertaining, reviewing, and being awesome on the web. Making money on YouTube might not be your reason for starting a channel, but the opportunities to earn are a pleasant surprise once you realize how many of them there are. Luckily, there are some creative ways to make money on YouTube. Your audience might unlock your YouTube channel's earning potential, as is often the case with Instagram influencers or bloggers, but it's the creation of multiple revenue streams, through side hustles or businesses, that helps you make money. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'm the RAWEX, and today I'm going to show you 7 effective ways to make money from YouTube in the next year 2023. 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. The first revenue stream you'll likely explore is ads. Whether you want to earn money on YouTube without creating videos or as a content creator, joining the YouTube Partner Program and setting up monetization is a vital step. You'll have to agree to follow all of YouTube's monetization policies and live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. Then you can apply for monetization once you've hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past year. 2. Sell products or merchandise. There are plenty of products to sell that can help you make money through your YouTube channel. Selling merch, t-shirts, coffee mugs, tote bags, snapbacks, you name it, has a benefit beyond revenue. Merchandise increases your exposure by putting your online brand and personality out into the offline world and deepens the relationship between you and your fans as they literally buy into what you're doing. Creators like Roman Atwood sell a variety of merchandise in his store under the Smile More brand. Selling branded swag is easier than it might seem at first. You can order affordable designs tailored for specific products, like t-shirts, using freelance sites such as Fiverr. And when it comes to handling orders, you can integrate your store with services such as Zers or one of the many print-on-demand providers that take care of shipping, fulfillment, and customer support, letting you reap all of the benefits of a print-on-demand business that requires less effort on your part. 3. Crowdfund your next creative project. When money is all that stands between an idea and its execution, crowdfunding is a good way to make it happen. Whether you need help buying better equipment, hiring actors, or covering other production costs, you can call upon your own audience and the crowdfunding community to pitch in, if your idea is compelling enough. Many successful crowdfunded creative projects tend to offer a sneak peek or trailer that gets people excited, so consider shooting a video explaining your project or offering a taste of what it'll be like, such as this popular Kickstarter for Kung Fury, a short film paying homage to 80s action movies. Popular crowdfunding sites with a proven track record of campaigns from YouTubers include Kickstarter, one of the most well-known crowdfunding sites, great for funding cool products and creative projects. Be sure to set an attainable funding goal because you'll only secure it if you actually meet the goal you set. Indiegogo, a Kickstarter alternative that offers more flexible funding options. 4. Let your audience support you through fan funding. Similar to crowdfunding a project, you can also set up fan funding streams to source donations from your audience. As a creator, you're contributing your voice to the internet without forcing your audience to pay for admission. So, if you're offering good content, your audience might be inclined to support you on an ongoing basis. Many fan funding platforms offer creators another place for people to discover their content and a way to engage their most loyal audience and reward them for their support. Wait, but why creates more long-form written content than YouTube videos but is a great example of receiving support from the Patreon community? If you choose the crowdfunding route, be sure to follow a couple of best practices. First, create transparency around how the money will be spent. This will get your fan base invested in your story or mission, and they will literally buy into the value of your content. Second, offer enticing rewards for better pledges. The more you can make donors feel like they're getting something exclusive for being a loyal fan, the more likely you are to get donations and higher pledges. Some popular fan funding options include YouTube Super Chat. Super Chat is a feature used when doing live streams on YouTube. It lets you create a tipping jar for your viewers to donate whenever and however much they feel like contributing. You'll need to set up your YouTube account for advertising, as outlined above. Channel memberships. Channel memberships let viewers support your channel through monthly payments in exchange for members-only perks. Similar to Super Chat, you must be a part of YouTube's partner program to access this feature. Patreon, the membership platform that makes it easy for creators to get paid. Fans can subscribe to their favorite creators for as little as $1 a month and receive exclusive rewards. Tipeee. This platform lets you get a combination of both one-off and recurring donations. Buy Me a Coffee. Buy Me a Coffee lets creators and artists accept donations and membership fees from their fans. It's referred to as the #1 Patreon alternative, with over 300,000 creators. The differences are it's easier to accept payments with Buy Me a Coffee. There's a flat 5% fee for all features, versus up to 12% for Patreon, and payouts are instant. 5. License your content to the media. If you happen to create a viral video with mass appeal, say, a funny clip featuring your dog, you can license your content in exchange for money. TV news outlets, morning shows, online news sites, and other creators might reach out about rights to use your videos if they happen to go viral. You can also list your videos in a marketplace, such as trusted media brands, where your content will be easier for the right people to find and purchase. When this video of a woman wearing a Chewbacca mask went viral, tons of media outlets wanted in. 6. Work with brands as an influencer. Brands are investing more and more in influencer marketing and sponsorships, spending their typically large advertising budgets on influencers who've already won the loyalty of their audiences. This creates a massive opportunity for you as a creator if you can negotiate the right deals. Brendan Gahan, a YouTube marketing expert and influencer, recommends establishing your baseline flat fee by looking at the number of views your videos typically get and multiplying it by 5 cents to 15 cents per view, which is around what many brands are willing to pay for views via YouTube ads. According to data from WebFX, the potential prices for influencer marketing on YouTube are $200 per video for a YouTuber with 10,000 subscribers, $2,000 per video for a YouTuber with 100,000 subscribers, $20,000 per video for a YouTuber with 1 million subscribers. Depending on your leverage, your audience demographics, content quality, and how unique and profitable your niche is, you might be able to negotiate a better deal if the brand is a good fit. The key when partnering on brand-sponsored content is to be transparent about it, not endorsing anything you don't actually like or believe in, and being upfront with your audience about why you're doing it. 7. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing refers to earning a commission by promoting a product or service made by another brand. You can become an affiliate marketer for brands and include product placements, endorsements, or other types of content. However, you must disclose the partnerships to viewers in your videos. This works especially well if you review products as part of your YouTube channel. Since there's no risk involved on the brand's end, they only pay when they make sales, there's usually a low bar to getting started. Popular affiliate programs include ClickBank, 1% to 75% commission, depending on what the vendor sets, and Amazon's affiliate network, up to 10% per sale. You can also reach out to brands in your niche that are running their own affiliate programs, which isn't uncommon in the e-commerce space.